Hey everyone, it's Sharon. I am here to show you today how Canva Pro can help remove the background while keeping some natural shadows in on some of your images. So I'm starting here. I have some of these raw images that I uploaded. So I'm just going to click and drag this over here. And if you kind of drag it into the corner, it'll expand and fill the space. So here we have these little hoops. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with the whiteness and the shading. There's some of this random gray stuff that I couldn't crop out as I was photographing it, so I'm going to show you what you do. So I'm going to click on the image here. I'm going to say Edit Image. Click on that there. You can see some of my tools have been recently used, so if you use these a lot, they'll show up here. But I'm going to come down to this, the background remover. It's going to think and think and think and think. And in a second, you'll see it magically removed the background. Now, for my purposes, this actually removed a little too much, so I'm going to show you what to do. First of all, for my own purposes, I am going to zoom in because I want to be able to see in detail. I'm going to hit Restore. It's going to think for a moment. Okay. And I want to show the original image. So you'll see that it's sort of kept transparent in the background. So I'm going to say Show Original Image. And then I'm going to get a sense of where the shadows were before. And you can see the size of the circle here. That's the size of the brush that I can use to restore it. But I think I want to make it a little smaller so I can get a little bit more refined. I'm going to press Restore here. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to come in and add back in those shadows. And I'm going to do that over here too, and a little bit there. And I'm also going to restore the rest of this hoop here. Sometimes when you get that really bright white reflectiveness, it will, kind of show up as nothing. I'm just going to come in and expand this a little more because I don't want those shadows to be super sharp. I want them to be pretty soft. So I'm just going to make sure that they're not cutting off in some awkward way. Okay, so I feel pretty good about that. I'm just going to scroll up. There's one little part back here. I'm going to make my brush actually a little bit narrower because I don't really need more than that, but it's basically just the post that's, shadowing the back here. I'm just going to make sure that that's filled in. Yep. Okay, I'm going to click Done, and ta-da, look at this. So if I scroll back out, look, so now I have a white background image, but that keeps some of that nice shadow to give it some dimension. And that is basically it. So long as you have some pretty good white light on your images when you're taking them, this is about all you have to do. And you can see we're only at minute 3 something, and that didn't take very long at all. I hope this helps. Oh, I'm going to click Apply so I can save it. I hope this helps, and pop any comments or questions down below. And also remember, I do have an affiliate code to use Canva Pro. I believe you get a month free to check it out. I do highly recommend, and I hope that this was really helpful for you.